Salam Doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video we combine all the videos from week 1 until week 30. So if you watch this video, you'll learn 300 words and phrases in Tajik and also how to use them in a sentence. And remember, each lesson has a PDF file, and the link to that PDF file you can find in the description box. Alright, enjoy. Salam, hi there, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series we will teach you 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words, and in total we'll have 500. And on Fridays we'll upload a video about the specific topic, like we had about the family members, the colors, or the numbers. Sometimes I don't know how to pronounce a word in English, even if I know the meaning, because English is not my first language. That's why I go to dictionary.cambridge.org to see how to pronounce some words, and you can see in British or American English the pronunciation. So that's why my brother Hassan and we decided to make this video series for you, for people who are learning Tajik. So you will not only learn 500 most common words and phrases, but also you will learn how to pronounce them correctly. Alright, let's get started. Our first word is hello. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. Salam. Hello in Tajik, Assalamu alaikum. Some people say Assalamu alaikum. And you can also say salam, just salam. Okay, and here's a sentence. Hello, I'm back. Salam, man bargashtam. Okay, salam, man bargashtam. Excuse me. Mebakhshed. Bubakhshed. Excuse me, mebakhshed or bubakhshed. Excuse me for being late. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. I'm sorry. Uzr or bakhshish. I'm sorry. Uzr, bakhshish. I'm sorry for what I've done. Az kori kardam pushaymonam. Az kori kardam pushaymonam. And in Tajikistan, uzr, bakhshish, mebakhshed or bubakhshed, they are pretty much the same, so you can use them interchangeably, like I'm sorry or excuse me. They are almost the same. Good night. Khobi khush. Khobi khush. Good night. Khobi khush. Now I shall go to sleep. Good night. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Nice to meet you. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. So, nice to meet you, Azizjon. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam, Azizjon. Azizjon, it's a male name. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam, Azizjon. How are you? Shumo chi khel. Shumo chi khel. Shumo chi khel. How are you? So, how are you, my friend? Shumo chi khel dostam. Shumo chi khel dostam. Yes. Ha, bale. Yes, ha, or bale. Yes, let's play a new game. Bale, بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. بله، بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. No, نه. No, نه. نه. No, I don't need it. نه، به من لازم نیست. نه، به من لازم نیست. Thank you. Rahmat or tashakkur. Rahmat, tashakkur. Thank you. Rahmat or tashakkur. Thank you again. I really appreciate working with you. بار دیگر تشکر. من در حقیقت با شما کار کردن رو قدر میکنم. بار دیگر تشکر. من در حقیقت با شما کار کردن رو قدر میکنم. Goodbye. تا دیدن. خیر. Goodbye. تا دیدن or خیر. We use both of them. So, goodbye, Nozanin. See you next week. Nozanin, it's a female name. خیر, Nozanin. هفته آینده وا میخوریم. Okay? خیر, Nozanin. هفته آینده وا میخوریم. Remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Khair. Salam. Hello. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, And in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 2. So today we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Zebo, khushru. So it's the most beautiful place in the city. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. And we use zebo, khushru interchangeably. So when it comes to the person, we usually say odami khushru, beautiful person. And flower, for example, flower we say guli zebo, okay, beautiful flower, guli zebo. Ugly, zisht, bezeb, zisht, bezeb, zisht, bezeb. What an ugly behavior. In chichislati zisht, in chichislati zisht. Bad, bad, bad. So it sounds pretty much the same like in English. Bad news, said the guard. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Good. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. We use both of them. So, you are expected to do a good job. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Easy. Oson. 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 The rest was easy. Boqimonda oson bud. Boqimonda oson bud. Difficult. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil and dushvor. We use both of them. I don't know, he said slowly. It's a difficult thing you ask. Namedonam ohista guft ö. In yak chizi dushvor ist ki shumo mepursid. Namedonam ohista guft ö. In yak chizi dushvor ist ki shumo mepursid. Small. Khurd. 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 The desk is too small for Shukrullo. Shukrullo is a male name. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurd ast. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurd ast. Big. Kalon. 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 Big girls don't cry. There's a famous song, Big Girls Don't Cry. In Tajik, Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Far. Dur. 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 Why did he live so far away from everything? Charo vai inqadar dur az hama chiz zindagi mekard. Charo vai inqadar dur az hama chiz zindagi mekard. Near. Nazdik. 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 People came from far and near to hear the famous violinist. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani g'ijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani g'ijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build the vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Okay, see you guys next week. Khair. سلام، نامی من حسین. خوش آمدید به Learning Tajik with Achilovs. این هفته سیوم. امروز با 10 کلمه نو یاد میگیریم. So, hi, my name is Hussein. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And this is week 3. So today we'll learn 10 more new words. I am man hastam. I am man hastam. So I, man, and am hastam. But we don't really use hastam. It's optional. So let's look at the sentence. I am a student. Man donishjuyam. So because we have yam at the end, we don't need hastam. If you say man donishjuyam hastam, it doesn't make sense. So man donishjuyam is enough. Or if you want to say hastam, it will be man donishju hastam without yam. Yesterday. Dirus, dina. Dirus. Dirus and dina. Dina. We use both of them. Dirus and dina. So, yesterday all my troubles seemed so far away. دیروز همه این مشکل ها به نظر نمی نمودند. دیروز همه این مشکل ها به نظر نمی نمودند. Today, امروز. 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 Today we are going to finish our homework. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می دهیم. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می دهیم. Tomorrow. پگاه. فردا. Fardo. Fardo and pagah. Pagah. So don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. کاری امروزه رو به فردا مگذار. کاری امروزه رو به فردا مگذار. Morning, صبح. سحر, صبح, صبح, and sahar, sahar. So on Sunday mornings, I like to relax and read a book. صبحی روز یکشنبه من استراحت کرده کتاب خواندن را دوست می‌دارم. صبحی روز یکشنبه من استراحت کرده کتاب خواندن را دوست می‌دارم. Afternoon, نصف روزی. نصف روزی. نصف روزی. I am free this afternoon. من این نصف روزی آزادم. من این نصف روزی آزادم. Evening, بگاه, شام. بگاه and بگاهی. بگاه we use when we say, for example, like this evening in بگاه. And let me explain you بگاهی. So 7 p.m. So 7 o'clock in the evening, we say هفتی بگاهی. ساعت هفتی بگاهی. Okay? So you see, it's a bit different. So when it's specific, when you mention the time, you can say بگاهی. And we also use شام. شام and بگاه. And if it sounds too complicated, بگاه and بگاهی, you can just use شام. It's much easier. Enjoy your evening. از شام خود لذت برید. But to be honest, we don't really say that. We don't say از شام خود لذت برید. Usually we say like good night, like خواب خوش, but it's not that common to say از شام خود لذت برید. Night, شب, شب. We watched the basketball on TV last night. ما شب گذشته در تلویزیون بسکتبال تماشا کردیم. ما شب گذشته در تلویزیون بسکتبال تماشا کردیم. Day, روز. 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 Today was a fun day. امروز یک روز خوشحالی بود. امروز یک روز خوشحالی بود. Now, حاضر. 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 I wish you were here now. کاش تو حاضر در اینجا می بودی. کاش تو حاضر در اینجا می بودی. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And you can find all of these words and sentences in a PDF file. And you can find the link to that PDF file in the description of this video. So, see you next week. تا دیدن. Salam. Hi there. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. And in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 4, Haftai Chor. So let's get started. Second, Sonia. 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 Bahramjon, can you hang back for a second? Bahramjon is a male name. Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Minute. Daqiqa. دقیقه. دقیقه. Can I talk to you for a minute? آیا من میتوانم با شما یک دقیقه صحبت کنم؟ آیا من میتوانم با شما یک دقیقه صحبت کنم؟ Hour. ساعت. 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 She exercises for a full hour every day. وی هر روز یک ساعت پوره مشق میکند. وی هر روز یک ساعت پوره مشق میکند. O'clock. ساعت. 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 I'll be back home by 10 o'clock. من تا ساعت 10 به خانه برمیگردم. من تا ساعت 10 به خانه برمیگردم. So you see hour and o'clock we just say ساعت. So if it's 5 o'clock, for example, it's 5 o'clock, we say ساعت 5. So ساعت comes before the number. And if it's 5 hours, we say 5 ساعت. So in this case, ساعت comes after the number, after the 5. Month. ماه. 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 We go there once or twice a month. ما در یک ماه یک یا دو مرتبه با آنجا می رویم. ما در یک ماه یک یا دو مرتبه با آنجا می رویم. Year. سال. 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 Our profits have more than doubled this year. فایده ما امسال بیشتر از دو مرتبه افزود. فایده ما امسال بیشتر از دو مرتبه افزود. And this year in Tajik we say امسال. Do. کردن. 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 I never thought I could do it. من هیچگاه فکر نمی کردم که این کار رو کرده می توانم. من هیچگاه فکر نمی‌کردم که این کار رو کرده می‌توانم. Go. رفتن. رفتن. Where do you want to go? شما با کجا رفتن می‌خواهید؟ شما با کجا رفتن می‌خواهید؟ See. دیدن. دیدن. Okay? دیدن. Do you want to see our garden? تو باغ ما را دیدن می‌خواهی؟ تو باغ ما را دیدن می‌خواهی؟ If you have noticed, in our previous example, you was شما, and in this example, you is to. So I think you already know that شما is for someone older or you're not familiar with, and to is maybe your classmate or your friend, your cousin. So it might be someone that you already know, you are very close. The verb دیدن is an infinitive verb, so that's why it might be different depending on the person or the time when that person is saying that. So من دیدم و دید شما دیدید. You see, it's different. And if you don't know this rule yet about the verbs in Tajik, you can watch our video, and the link to that video you can find in the description of this video. Laugh. خنده. 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 خنده here is a noun, and if you want to use it as a verb, it will be خندیدن. خندیدن. So, a good laugh heals a lot of hurts. خنده با بسیار دردها شفا می‌بخشد. خنده با بسیار دردها شفا می‌بخشد. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next week. تا هفته آینده. Hi. Hi there, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and you are watching 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words. This is week 5, هفته 5. So, let's go. Calendar. تقویم. 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 She circled her birthday in red on her calendar. وی زادروز خود را در تقویم با رنگ سرخ اشارت کرد. وی زادروز خود را در تقویم با رنگ سرخ اشارت کرد. Week. هفته. 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 I play tennis twice a week. من هفته 2 مرتبه تنیس بازی میکنم. من هفته 2 مرتبه تنیس بازی میکنم. You know, this is not the way how we would say it in the north part of Tajikistan. We would say something like من در یک هفته. You see? Not هفته, but در یک هفته. Weekend. روزهای استراحت. روزهای استراحت. روزهای استراحت. The bank is closed on the weekend. بانک در روزهای استراحت فعالیت نمی کند. بانک در روزهای استراحت فعالیت نمی کند. Monday. دوشنبه. 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 The deadline is next Monday. مهلت نهایی روز دوشنبه آینده است. مهلت نهایی روز دوشنبه آینده است. And interesting fact, the capital of Tajikistan, it's also called Dushanbe, the same. Tuesday. سه‌شنبه. 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 The show will be aired next Tuesday night. نمایش شب سه‌شنبه آینده برگزار می شود. نمایش شب سه‌شنبه آینده برگزار می شود. Wednesday. چهارشنبه. 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 According to the calendar, my birthday falls on Wednesday this year. طبق تقویم زادروز من امسال به روز چهارشنبه راست می آید. طبق تقویم زادروز من امسال به روز چهارشنبه راست می آید. Thursday. پنجشنبه. 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 My sister was at home on Thursday. خواهر من روز پنجشنبه در خانه بود. خواهر من روز پنجشنبه در خانه بود. In Hojand, we have a market which is called Panshanbe, just like Thursday. And I would highly recommend you to visit that place. That's a huge market, and I'm sure you will like it. Friday. Jum'ah. 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 Saidolim will arrive on Friday morning. Saidolim subhi Jum'ah me'oyad. Saidolim subhi Jum'ah me'oyad. And Saidolim is a male name and also my father's name. Saturday. Shanbe. 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 Let's meet next Saturday. بیا شنبه آینده و میخوریم. بیا شنبه آینده و میخوریم. And بیا here is like to, like you, if someone is younger or maybe your friend. If it's شما, someone older, you would say بیایید, okay? Not بیا, but بیایید. And we have a video about the personal pronouns in Tajik. You can find the link down below. Sunday, yakshanbe. Yakshanbe. We all went for a picnic last Sunday. Hamamon ruzi yakshanbe guzashta ba sayru gasht raftim. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and leaving us comments. So, see you next week. To haftay oyanda. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and this is week 6 of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Water. Ob. I need some water. Baman kamtar ob lozimast. Tea. Choy. Choy. Make yourself a cup of hot tea. Барои худатон як пиёла чойи гарм тайёр кунед. And I said худаton in this example, so худаton is for shumo, and барои худат, if I say барои худат як пиёла чойи гарм тайёр кун, it's for tu. Coffee. Qahva. I prefer coffee in the morning. Ман нӯшидани қаҳваро дар пагоҳи рӯзӣ афзалтар медонам. Beer. Obi jaw. Or most people say piva. Piva is a Russian word, so obi jaw is not that common. So I owe you a beer. Man ba tu як obi jaw қарз дорам. Or the common way would be man ba tu як piva қарз дорам. Yeah. Wine. Sharob. We are out of wine. Sharobamon tamom shud. Beef. Gushti go. Gusht is meat and go is a cow. So it's like cow's meat. Nowadays beef is expensive. Gushti go imrozho qimmat ast. Chicken. Gushti murgh. Which do you like better? Chicken or fish? Кадомаш ба шумо маъқултар аст? Гӯшти мурғ ё моҳӣ? Pork. Гӯшти хук. And huk is a pig. So in Tajikistan, Tajiks, they don't eat pork, but there are some Russians and other foreigners, they eat pork. And to be honest, I've never seen pork in the market. Farukh can't eat pork. Farukh is a male name. So Farukh гӯшти хук хӯрда наметавонад. Mutton. Гӯшти гӯсфанд. In Tajikistan, most people eat mutton and beef. Дар Тоҷикистон одамон бештар гӯшти гӯсфанду гов мехӯранд. Fish. Mohi. This fish is delicious. In mohi bolazat ast. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys next week. Khair. Salam, hi there, my name is Hussein. You are watching our video series about 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 7. Employee. Korgar. And kor means a job. So he is an employee of Eskhata Bank. Why korgari bonki Eskhata meboshat? And Eskhata Bank is one of the most popular banks in Tajikistan. Teacher. Muallim. So muallim is a male and muallima and then a is a female. So the teacher collected the papers. Muallim qog'ozhoro jam kard. You might hear people saying omuzgor. So omuzgor is also a teacher. Muallim is just from Arabic. Omuzgor and muallim, they are the same. Salesman. Furoshande. Is he a good salesman? Oyo vai furoshandei khub ast? Manager. Or rohbar. Manager and rohbar. So I've spoken to the manager about it. Ман дар ин бора бо роҳбар суҳбат кардам. Ман дар ин бора бо роҳбар суҳбат кардам. Cook, oshpaz. Oshpaz. So she's an exceptionally good cook. Вай ошпази бениҳоят хуб аст. Вай ошпази бениҳоят хуб аст. Engineer, muhandis. You need the advice of a qualified engineer. ба шумо маслиҳати муҳандиси соҳибтаҷриба лозим аст. Ба шумо маслиҳати муҳандиси соҳибтаҷриба лозим аст. Programmer, барномасоз. You can earn good money as a computer programmer. شما میتوانید همچون برنامه‌ساز کامپیوتری پول خوب به دست آورید. The word computer in Tajik is royona, but it's still not that common yet. People still use computer instead of royona. Doctor, دختور. The doctor forbids him to smoke. دختور با او تماکوکشی را منع میکند. Nurse, همشیره طبی. That nurse is very kind and polite. آن همشیره طبی خیلی مهربان و خوشمعامله است. Melissa, کارمند پلیس. Melissa and کارمند پلیس. Kormandi police is more formal. People usually use Melissa. So, how did you become a police officer? چطور شما کارمند پلیس شدید؟ تمام. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next week. Khair. Hi friends, Salam Doston. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 8. So, let's get started. Body, badan. Every muscle in his body was sore. Har yak mushakhoyi badanash dard mekard. Head, sar. So, he fell asleep as soon as his head touched the pillow. Hamin ki sarash ba bolish rasid, khobash burd. Hand, dust. So, he was holding a pen in his hand. Ö dar dastash qalam dosht. Finger, angusht. I burned my finger. Man angushtamro sözondam. And in the north, we say leylak instead of angusht. So it will sound something like man leylakamro sözondam. Belly, shikam. He had a big belly. Vay shikami kalon dosht. Okay, another thing, in the north part we say ishkam instead of shikam. Leg, po or poi. So you can use both of them. And I need to stretch my legs. Man boyad poyhoyam ro darroz kunam. Eye, chasham. And two eyes will be chashmon. Some people say chashmho. Okay, you've got beautiful eyes. Shumo chashmoni zebo dored. Ear, gush. So, a rabbit has long ears. Khargosh gushhoyi darroz dorad. Nose, bini. My grandfather had a big nose. Boboyman bini kalon dosht. Mouth, dahon. Some people say dahan, so you can use both of them, dahon or dahan. So, open your mouth. دهانت رو کشو. دهانت رو کشو. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So see you guys in the next video. Hi. Salam, hi, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. I'm Hussein and this is week 9. So our first word is weather. Obu havo. Obu havo. Obu havo. How is the weather? Havo chikhel ast. Havo chikhel ast. Degree. Daraja. Daraja. Yesterday, the temperature was about 25 degrees Celsius. دیروز حرارت تقریباً 25 درجه گرم بود. دیروز حرارت تقریباً 25 درجه گرم بود. And in Tajikistan we use Celsius. Cloudy. Abernok. Aber is a cloud and abernok is cloudy. So it was cloudy when we woke up. وقتی که ما بیدار شدیم هوا ابرناک بود. وقتی که ما بیدار شدیم هوا ابرناک بود. Sunny. آفتابی. If it's sunny tomorrow, we will go to the beach. اگر پگاه آفتابی باشد ما به ساحل می رویم. اگر پگاه آفتابی باشد ما به ساحل می رویم. And you may also hear people saying pляж. Pляж and sahil, they are the same. But pляж is a Russian word. And I think it's more common in Khujand. Rainy. Boroni. Boron is rain. So, because it's rainy today, the trip is cancelled. از بس که امروز هوای بارانی می باشد سفر منع شده است. از بس که امروز هوای بارانی می باشد سفر منع شده است. And boroni, I would say it's not that common. People usually use it as a verb, like it is raining. Boron boride istoda ast, or it will rain. It will be raining. Boron miborad. Snowy. Barfi. He was dressed for the cold, snowy night. برای شب سرد و برفی لباس پوشیده بود. برای شب سرد و برفی لباس پوشیده بود. Cool. خنک. Fall is coming and the weather is getting cooler and cooler. تیرماه آمده ایستاده است و هوا تا رفت خنک‌تر می شود. خنک is more like a cold than cool. So in Khujand, in the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say salqin instead of khunuk. Khunuk is when it's cold. Warm. Garm. The weather is warm and sunny today. امروز هوا گرم و آفتابی است. And instead of آفتابی است, you can also say آفتابی است. It's the same. Cold. Sard. But we usually say khunuk instead of sard. So the weather will stay cold until spring. هوا تا بهار سرد میماند. Hot. Garm. Just like warm, garm. So they had to accustom themselves to the hot weather. آنها مجبور شدند که به هوای گرم عادت کنند. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi friends. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 10. So congratulations, you made it so far. So our first word is baby. Kodak. You were such a beautiful baby. شما کودکی زیبا بودید. Child. فرزند. She bought a toy for her child. وی برای فرزندش بازیچه خرید. Girl. دختر. The girl singing over there is my sister. دختری که در آنجا سرود میخواند خواهر من است. boy. Pisar. 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 Do you know that boy? شما اون پسر رو میشناسید. شما اون پسر رو میشناسید. Woman. Zan. 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 So, Zarina is a married woman. Zarina زنی شوهردار است. Zarina زنی شوهردار است. And Zan has another meaning as well, a wife. So, my wife will be زنی man. Man. Mard. 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 He is a tall man with a beard. So, مردی قامت بلندی ریشدار است. مردی قامت بلندی ریشدار است. Friend. Dost or oshno. Dost or oshno. Oshno is more common here. So, he is an old friend of mine. Vay dosti derinei man ast. Vay dosti derinei man ast. Girlfriend. Oshiq or dost doshta. Oshiq. Oshiq or dost doshta. Dost doshta. So, my girlfriend doesn't like watching movies. دوست داشته من تماشای فیلم ها را دوست نمی دارد. دوست داشته من تماشای فیلم ها را دوست نمی دارد. Boyfriend. عاشق. دوست داشته. The same like a girlfriend. عاشق or دوست داشته. So, Manija seems to have a new boyfriend. چنین به نظر می رسد که منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. چنین به نظر می رسد که منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. If چنین به نظر می رسد is too long, you can use احتمال. The meaning is the same. احتمال منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. Adult or adult. Kalon sol. Kalon sol. Kalon sol. Sometimes adults behave like children. بازن کالونسولان مثل کودکان رفتار میکنند. بازن کالونسولان مثل کودکان رفتار میکنند. Usually when we use this word kalonsol, we talk about elderly people, people who are like 70 or 60 years old and above. And but if you go to the museum, for example, for kids the price like $5 and for adults $10. So there you will see like baroi kalonsolon for adults $10. Something like that. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So see you in the next video. Hi. Hi guys, welcome. Salam. My name is Hussein, and in this video we'll talk about numbers from 0 to 10. 0. Sifr. 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 The temperature drops below 0. حرارت از صفر پست می شود. حرارت از صفر پست می شود. حرارت is a temperature, and صفر is 0, but most people, especially in north part of Tajikistan, we say nol instead of صفر. 1. Yak. 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 1. So my niece is almost 1 year old. جیانم قریب 1 ساله است. جیانم قریب 1 ساله است. 2. Do. Do sounds almost like two. So, are you two okay? آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ 3. Se. Se. 3. He is 3 years older than you. وی از شما 3 سال کلانتر است. وی از شما 3 سال کلانتر است. 4. Chor. 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 But in some places you might see chahor, which is not that common. So chor is better. So Farhod likes oranges and eats 3 or 4 a week. Farhod افلیسون رو دوست می‌دارد و در یک هفته 3 یا 4 دانه می‌خورد. Farhod is a male name. So Farhod افلیسون رو دوست می‌دارد و در یک هفته 3 یا 4 دانه می‌خورد. 5. Punch. 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 What time is it? It's 5. ساعت چند؟ Punch است. Or you can just say punch without است. ساعت چند؟ Punch. 6. Shash. shash, 6, shash. But also people say shish, especially in the north part of Tajikistan. So I get up at 6 in the morning. Man soati shashi subh mekhezam. Man soati shashi subh mekhezam. 7. Haft, haft, haft. But usually when we say that, we don't pronounce T at the end. Haf, like that. She studied 7 foreign languages, but is fluent in only 4 of them. Вай 7 забони хориҷиро омӯхт, лекин танҳо 4таашро хуб медонад. Вай 7 забони хориҷиро омӯхт, лекин танҳо 4таашро хуб медонад. 8. Hasht, hasht, hasht. And just like 7, we don't pronounce T at the end. Hash, like that. So he works from 8 to 5. Вай аз 8 то 5 кор мекунад. Вай аз 8 то 5 кор мекунад. 9. N. 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 But now it's changed. It's nu now. Instead of there is u. So nu. But we still say n. She got back home at 9. Вай соати 9 ба хона баргашт. Вай соати 9 ба хона баргашт. 10. Da. 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 I'll finish my homework by 10. Ман вазифаи хонагиамро то соати 10 анҷом медиҳам. Ман вазифаи хонагиамро то соати 10 анҷом медиҳам. If you want to learn more about numbers, you can find a link to our videos in the description of this video. So we have 2 videos actually about numbers. In the first one, we talk from 1 to million, and in the second one, we talk about ordinal numbers. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Hi. Salam, hi there. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. And in this lesson, we'll learn 12 months of the year. So instead of 10, we'll have 12 new vocabulary words. So we'll start with January, Yanvar. Yanvar, Yanvar. This is the first month. So I need to take an exam in January. Man boyad dar mohi yanvar imtihon sporam. Man boyad dar mohi yanvar imtihon sporam. And in the north part of Tajikistan, we say yanvaranda instead of dar mohi yanvar. So this is informal, but that's how we say. So the full sentence will be Man yanvaranda imtihon misporam instead of Man dar mohi yanvar imtihon misporam. February, fevral. Fevral, fevral. So February 14th is Valentine's Day. 14 fevral روزی عاشقان است. 14 fevral روزی عاشقان است. And عاشقان here means lovers. So it's a Lover's Day. 14 fevral روزی عاشقان است. March, Mart, Mart, Mart. We had a short vacation in March. ما در ماه مارت تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم. ما در ماه مارت تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم. And as I said earlier with January, in the north part we say ما مارتاندا تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم instead of در ماه مارت. مارتاندا. April, 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 April. My nephew was born on the 17th of April. جیانم 17 اپریل تولد شده است. جیانم 17 اپریل تولد شده است. May, 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 May. I haven't heard from him since last May. از ماه می سال گذشته از او خبری نشنیدم. از ماه می سال گذشته از او خبری نشنیدم. June, ایون, ایون, ایون. Since June there had been no rain. از ماه ایون تا این دم باران نبارید. از ماه ایون تا این دم باران نبارید. July, ایول, ایول, ایول. And iyun, it might be confusing a little bit because there is only one letter that is different, le and ne. So that's why when people say iyul, they say iyule sometimes to make it sure that the other person understands. Or iyune, like iyun, June. So iyun and iyul, like that. So I was in China in July. Man dar mohi iyul dar Chin budam. Man dar mohi iyul dar Chin budam. And Chin, sometimes people also say Khitoy instead of Chin. August, 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 August. She came back last August. Vai mohi avgusti guzashta, soli guzashta bargasht. Vai mohi avgusti soli guzashta bargasht. September, Sentyabr, Sentyabr, Sentyabr. Mustafa will go to school in September. Mustafa is a male name. Mustafa will go to school in September. In Tajik, Mustafa mohi sentyabr ba maktab merawad. Mustafa mohi sentyabr ba maktab merawad. October, 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 October. She started her job in early October. Ö dar avvali oktyabr ba kor shuru kard. Ö dar avvali oktyabr ba kor shuru kard. November, Noyabr, Noyabr, Noyabr. In the middle of November, he was seriously ill. Dar nimei mohi Noyabr ö sakht bemor shud. Dar nimei mohi Noyabr ö sakht bemor shud. December, Decabr, Decabr, Decabr. We don't have a lot of snow in December. Mo dar mohi Decabr barfi bisyor nadorem. Mo dar mohi Decabr barfi bisyor nadorem. If you are curious about the seasons and the days of the week, we have a video about that. You can find a link in the description of this video. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. That's been it. See you in the next video. Khair. Salam. Hi friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 13. And in this lesson, we'll talk about some verbs, some common verbs we need in our daily conversations. And we'll start with search, justuju kardan, justuju kardan, justuju kardan. And justuju itself is a noun, justuju search, and justuju kardan becomes a verb. But inside the sentence, sometimes you can hear just justuju, and depending on the sentence, it might change. It might be a verb or a noun. Okay, so he probably went to search for a book. Ehtimol ö ba justujuy kitap rafta ast. Ehtimol ö ba justujuy kitap rafta ast. And here, justujuy kitap becomes a verb, justuju. Find, yoftan, yoftan, yoftan. I've looked everywhere, but I couldn't find the map. Man ба ҳама ҷо назар кардам, аммо харитаро ёфта натавонистам. Man ба ҳама ҷо назар кардам, аммо харитаро ёфта натавонистам. Take, гирифтан, гирифтан, гирифтан. Sit down and take your pencil. Бишин ва қаламатро бигир. Бишин ва қаламатро бигир. But in the north part, we say shinu qalamata gir. So instead of bishin and bigir, we just say shinu qalamata gir. Give, dodan, dodan, dodan. So give me some information. Baman kame ma'lumot dihed. Baman kame ma'lumot dihed. And we have a video about the verbs, and we talk there about different tenses like the future, present, and the past tense, and also about different persons like the first person I and the second person you. So I would recommend you to watch that video because sometimes the verb might change. For example, this one is dodan, and in a sentence it's dihed. And you can find the link to that video down below. Talk, sohbat kardan, sohbat kardan, sohbat kardan. Just like justuju kardan, sohbat itself will be a noun. Sohbat kardan is a verb. So let's talk about this. Biyoyed dar in bora sohbat kunim. Biyoyed dar in bora sohbat kunim. Say, guftan, guftan, guftan. So it was hard to say how old he was. Chansola budani öro guftan dushvor bud. Chansola budani öro guftan dushvor bud. Come, omadan, omadan, omadan. The letter hasn't come yet. Maktub hanuz naomada ast. Maktub hanuz naomada ast. And instead of hanuz, And in the north part, we say holy. So, maktub holy na omade ast. Make, sokhtan or kardan. Sokhtan, sokhtan or kardan. Kardan. And depending on the situation, make can have different meanings. For example, with sokhtan, to make a car, moshin sokhtan, and to make a mistake will be khatogi kardan. So you see different. I'm going to make myself a coffee and get back to work. Man ba khudam qahva tayyor mekunam va ba kor barmegardam. Man ba khudam qahva tayyor mekunam va ba kor barmegardam. Can, tavonistan. Tavonistan. I can do it. Man inro karda metavonam. Man inro karda metavonam. Call, zang zadan. Zang zadan. Zang zadan. And sometimes we also say telefon kardan. Telefon kardan. So if you need anything, be sure to call me. Agar ba shumo chize lozim boshad, hatman ba man zang zaned. Agar ba shumo chize lozim boshad, hatman ba man zang zaned. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget, we have a video about the verb. You can find the link in the description of this video. Until next video, bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 14 and we'll start with clean. Toza. 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 The train was clean and comfortable. Poyezd toza va rohat bakhsh bud. Poyezd toza va rohat bakhsh bud. Dirty. Iflos, chirkin. Iflos or chirkin. So his shirt was dirty. Kurtaj chirkin bud. Kurtaj chirkin bud. Weak. Zaif. She became weak after the surgery. Vai pasas jarohi zaif shud. Vai pasas jarohi zaif shud. Strong. Qavi. Boquvat. Qavi or boquvat. So our volleyball team is very strong. Dastei voleyboli mo khele boquvat ast. Dastei voleyboli mo khele boquvat ast. Busy. Band. I've been very busy since the new school year started. Az oghozi soli khonishinav man khele band budam. Az oghozi soli khonishinav man khele band budam. Free. Ozod. And it's also a male name in Tajikistan, Ozod. So we are free on Sunday evening. Mo begohi rozi yakshanbe ozod hastem. Mo begohi rozi yakshanbe ozod hastem. Delicious. Bolazat. Bomaza. Or bolazat. We use both of them. So we were satisfied with the delicious food. Mo az taomhoi bolazat qanoatmand shudim. Mo az taomhoi bolazat qanoatmand shudim. Sweet. Shirin. My mom makes very sweet chak-chak. Modari man chak-chaki kheli shirin mepazad. Chak-chak is a dessert and it's a fried dough coated with sticky honey glaze. Salty. Shur with e. So the cheese is rather salty, so you probably won't need salt. Panir khele shur ast, binobar in ba shumo namak lozim nest. Panir khele shur ast, binobar in ba shumo namak lozim nest. Sour. Tursh. And sometimes we also say turush instead of tush. So the milk went sour. Shir tursh shud. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. That's it, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 15. So today we'll talk about some classroom objects and we'll start with pen, khoma, ruchka, khoma, or ruchka. Ruchka is from Russian, but it's more common. So, my pen is new. Khomai man navast. And more common way would be ruchkai man navast. Pencil, qalam. So, there is a pencil in the box. Dar quti qalam hast. Rubber or eraser. Khat kurkunak. And khat means a line and kardan is to erase. So khat kurkunak. And the sentence, may I borrow your eraser? Metavonam khat kurkunaki shumoro bigiram. And for us, in the north part, it's too formal. So we would say khat kurkunakatonro giram mailashmi. Notebook. Daftar. I record all my thoughts in a notebook. Hamai fikrhoyam ro dar daftar qayd mikram. And we don't need man here at the beginning because fikrhoyam ends with yam, which means man. So we don't need to say it twice. And if it's you, it will be fikrhoyat. So it ends with yat. Paper. Qogaz. Sign this paper and return it. Bain qogaz imzo kuned va gashta dihet. Book. Kitop. So I think this book is worth reading. Man fikr mekunam ki in kitop sazovori khondan ast. Dictionary. Lughat. Can you recommend a good dictionary? Metavonet yagon lughati khubero tavsiya dihet. Backpack. Juzuvdon. But usually people say sumka. It's again from Russian and it's more common. So imagine a situation you are at the airport and you just say, I just have my backpack. And in Tajik it will be man tanho yak juzuvdon doram. Exercise. Mashq. Exercise can be done in the classroom or at home. Mashqro metavonet dar simkhona yo dar khona anjom dihet. Mashqro metavonet dar simkhona yo dar khona anjom dihet. Homework. Vazifai khonagi. I did my homework yesterday evening. Man diras begoh vazifai khonagi khud ro ijro kardam. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Todidan. Salam. Hi there. Welcome back. My name is Hussein and you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik video series. And this is week 16. And before we start learning new words, let me remind you that we have a PDF file of this lesson. You can find the link to that file in the description box. So let's get started. I know. Man medonam. I know that place. Man onjoiro medonam. I don't know. Man namedonam. I don't know what to do. Man namedonam chi kor kunam. Good. Khub. Naghs. We use both of them. So this is a good movie. In filmi khub ast. And some people also say kino instead of film. So they say in kinoi khub ast or in kinoi navz ast. Bad, bad, ganda. Bad or ganda. And usually in the north part we use ganda. It's more common here. So he knew it was a bad idea. Vay medonist ki in fikri bad ast. Vay medonist ki in fikri bad ast. No rush, shitop nakunet or sarosima nashavet. Shitop nakunet or sarosima nashavet. And sarosima nashavet is more common in the north part. So I'm in no rush. Man sarosima nestam. Man sarosima nestam. Need. Darkor. Lozim. Darkor or lozim. Darkor and lozim. So, do you need any help? Oyo bashumo yagon kömak lozim ast. Oyo bashumo yagon kömak lozim ast. In the north, instead of kömak, usually we use yordam. Yordam. And the sentence itself will be shorter. So, yordam darkor mi. Yordam darkor mi. And mi at the end, it will show that it's a sentence. So in Tajik, it's a question, sorry. And in Tajik, it's called bandaki mi. No need. Lozim nest or darkor nest. Lozim nest or darkor nest. But usually we don't say nest. We just say ne. So lozim ne or darkor ne. So I know someone who could help you. No need. I can do it myself. Man کسی میدانم که با تو یاری رسانیده میتواند لازم نیست من خودم این کار را کرده میتوانم من کسی را میدانم که با تو یاری رسانیده میتواند لازم نیست من خودم این کار را کرده میتوانم I'm sure من باوری دارم من باوری دارم من باوری دارم I'm sure you got it من باوری دارم که شما فهمیدید من باوری دارم که شما فهمیدید. Tell me please. لطفاً بگویید. لطفاً نقل کنید. لطفاً بگویید or لطفاً نقل کنید. So, tell me about yourself. لطفاً درباره خودتان نقل کنید. لطفاً درباره خودتان نقل کنید. And the word لطفاً, which means please in English, in Tajik, لطفاً is not that common. People usually don't use it, so you can just say درباره خودتان نقل کنید without لطفاً. Of course. البته. 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 When you were in London, did you go to any shows? Of course we did. وقتی که شما در لندن بودید، با یگان نمایشگاه رفتید؟ البته رفتیم. وقتی که شما در لندن بودید، با یگان نمایشگاه رفتید؟ البته رفتیم. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and that's it. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back. My name is Hussein, and this is week 17. So, don't forget, you can find a PDF of this lesson in the description box. So, our first word is you are welcome. Salomat boshid. Salomat boshid. Salomat boshid. Thank you so much for helping. You are welcome. Tashakuri ziyod baroy kömakaton. Salomat boshid. Tashakuri ziyod baroy kömakaton. Salomat boshid. And instead of tashakuri ziyod, we usually say rahmati kalon. And kalon means big. So, rahmati kalon. Great. Buzurg, oli janob. Buzurg or oli janob. So, when it's something like, oh, it's great, it's oli janob, and great person, shakhsi buzurg. Okay? So, I want to be a great actor. من میخواهم که هنرپیشه بزرگ شوم. من میخواهم که هنرپیشه بزرگ شوم. The word هنرپیشه is not that common yet. هنرپیشه means actor. And instead of that, we usually say actor. Actor. No way. هیچگاه. 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 And it's the same as if you said like hell no. No way. So, are you inviting Salim to your birthday party? Salim is a male name. So, No way. آیا شما سلیم رو به آزادروزی خود دعوت میکنید؟ هیچگاه. آیا شما سلیم رو به آزادروزی خود دعوت میکنید؟ هیچگاه. May I? ممکن است؟ اجازت میدهید من؟ ممکن است or اجازت دهید من. Yeah, so may I ask you one more question? ممکن است به شما باز یک سوال دهم؟ ممکن است به شما باز یک سوال دهم؟ Maybe. شاید. احتمال. شاید or احتمال. So, maybe I'll come too. شاید من هم بیایم. شاید من هم بیایم. And in the north part of Tajikistan, we use ممکن, like maybe. So it will sound like ممکن منم بیام. ممکن منم بیام, because شاید من هم بیایم, it's too formal for us. I hope. امیدوارم که. So hope is umid in Tajik. So I hope Sabrina passed the examination. Sabrina is a female name, it's a girl's name. So امیدوارم که سابرینا از امتحان میگذرد. امیدوارم که سابرینا از امتحان میگذرد. I forgot. من فراموش کردم. And to forget will be فراموش کردن. Okay, so I forgot to turn off the TV before going to bed. پیش از خواب خاموش کردن تلویزور رو فراموش کردم. And the word televizor here, which means TV, is actually not a Tajik word. It's from Russian. And in Tajik, TV is oynay nilgun, but nobody says oynay nilgun. We say televizor instead. Don't forget. فراموش نکنید. Don't forget to bring your books. آوردن کتاب‌های خود را فراموش نکنید. Show me. به من نشان دهید. So, can you show me where is the kitchen? می‌توانید به من آشخانه را نشان دهید؟ I got it. من فهمیدم. So, I got what you mean. من فهمیدم شما چی را در نظر دارید. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you learned something new today. So, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Salam doston. Hi there, friends. Welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel, and both of us, we are from Tajikistan. We have a video series called 500 Most Common Words and Phrases in Tajik, and every Tuesday we teach 10 new vocabulary words, and this is week 18. And don't forget, you can find the link to the PDF file of each lesson in the description box. So let's get started. I agree. Man rozi, and rozi at the end, long E. So, I agree with you 100%. Man 100% با شما راضی هستم. I don't agree. Man راضی نیستم. Okay? راضی نیستم. I don't agree with you. من با شما راضی نیستم. I'm tired. من مانده شدم. Or من خسته شدم. You can use both of them. But usually in the north people say مانده. It's more common. So I'm tired of watching television. من از تماشای تلویزیون مانده شدم. What's going on? چی گپ or چی شد. چی گپ or چی شد. Okay? چی گپ or چی شد. So I have no idea what's going on. من نمیدونم چی گپ شده است. Unfortunately, I don't have time. افسوس که وقت ندارم. Afsus ki vaqt nadoram. Afsus ki vaqt nadoram. And sometimes you may hear people saying mutasifona. Mutasifona is the same like afsus ki. Okay? So the sentence. Tomorrow there is going to be a game of buzkashi in Gulistan. We could go together if you want. No, unfortunately, I don't have time. Pagoh dar Gulistan buzkashi meshavad. Agar khohi hamroh meravim. Ne afsus ki vaqt nadoram. Okay, one more time. Pagoh dar Gulistan buzkashi meshavad. Agar khohi hamroh meravim. Ne afsus ki vaqt nadoram. Gulistan here, Gulistan means a city. It's the name of the city. And what is buzkashi? Buzkashi is a sport. And from Persian, it means goat pulling. The sport has been played across Central Asia for hundreds of years. It involves many players riding a horse and trying to pull a headless, dead goat to one area in a field. And the player earns a point each time he gets the goat to that area. Thank you very much. Tashakkuri ziyod, or rahmati kalon. Tashakkuri ziyod, or rahmati kalon. And rahmati kalon is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. So, thank you very much for your support. Rahmati kalon baroi komakaton. Rahmati kalon baroi komakaton. Same to you. Baroi shumonis, or baroi shumo ham. Baroi shumo ham, or baroi shumo nis. Okay? Baroi shumo ham, baroi shumo nis. So, Happy Navruz. The same to you. Navruz Muborak. Baroi shumo ham Muborak. Okay? Navruz Muborak. Baroi shumo ham Muborak. And Navruz is a traditional holiday and it's celebrated in many countries, including Tajikistan. And we celebrate it in March. If you want to learn more about that, we have a video and it's only in Tajik. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Enough. Kifoya. 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 And we usually say bas. Bas is more common here in the north. So, is there enough coffee for everyone? Baroi hama qahva kifoya ast? Baroi hama qahva kifoya ast? Now, hozir or holo. Holo or hozir. Okay? Holo and hozir. So, I'm from Pamir, but now I live in Dushanbe. Man az Pomir mebosham, amo holo dar Dushanbe zindagi mekunam. Man az Pomir mebosham, amo holo dar Dushanbe zindagi mekunam. I'm not from Pamir, it's just a sentence. Congratulations. Muborak boshat. Or tabrik. Muborak boshat or tabrik. Okay? Tabrik or Muborak boshat. So, congratulations, my friend. When is the wedding? Muborak boshat dostam. Toy kaiba. Muborak boshat dostam. Toy kaiba. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Hi there, what's up? Salam, chkhel shmo. My name is Hussein and this is week 19. So today we'll learn some colors. We'll learn how to say colors in Tajik. So we'll start with color. Rang. 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 So what color shall I paint the kitchen? Oshkhonero bo kadom rang rang kunam. Oshkhonero bo kadom rang rang kunam. Don't be surprised, we have rang twice here. So rang can be the color, and to paint, if it's a verb, it will be rang kardan. Rang kardan. White, safed. 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 So I bought a white shirt yesterday. Mandina kurtai safed kharidam. Mandina kurtai safed kharidam. Black. Siyo. 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 So do you see the black clouds? شما ابرهای سیاه را میبینید. شما ابرهای سیاه را میبینید. Green. Subs. 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 We bought green apples at the store. ما از مغازه سیب سبز خریدیم. ما از مغازه سیب سبز خریدیم. Orange. نارنجی. 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 So, orange is my favorite color. نارنجی رنگی دوست داشته من است. نارنجی رنگی دوست داشته من است. Red. سرخ. 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 The leaves are turning red. برگها سرخ شده ایستاده اند. برگها سرخ شده ایستاده‌اند. Brown قهوه‌رنگ 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 and قهوه means coffee, so قهوه‌رنگ is like the color of the coffee. His shoes are brown. پایافزولی او قهوه‌رنگ است. پایافزولی او قهوه‌رنگ است. Blue کبود کبود کبود. She has got blue eyes. وی چشمانی کبود دارد. وی چشمانی کبود دارد. Gray خاکستر رنگ خاکستر رنگ خاکستر رنگ and خاکستر means ash, so it's like ash color. My car is gray. ماشینه من خاکستر رنگ است. ماشینه من خاکستر رنگ است. Yellow زرد زرد زرد. So I'll take the yellow one. زردش رو میگیرم. زردش رو میگیرم. If you would like to learn more about some other colors, we have another video about the colors. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Todidan. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 20. So our first word is juice. Sharbat. 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 We also say sok. Sok is from Russian. Sok and sharbat. Alright, I'd like some orange juice. Man kamtar sharbati aflesun mekhoham. Man kamtar sharbati aflesun mekhoham. Компот. 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 Компот is a Russian word and it's a very popular drink here in Tajikistan. It's homemade. Here, this one is a компот made by my mom. It's actually quite simple. Just add some fruits, boiled water and sugar. That's it. So it's sweet. Alright, so do you like компот? شما компот رو دوست می‌دارید? شما компот رو دوست می‌دارید? Actually, we have a video about that, about компот, how to make it. If you are interested, link down below. Alcohol. نوشوکی سپیرتی. نوشوکی سپیرتی. Okay? نوشوکی سپیرتی. Long E at the end. So, I don't drink alcohol. من نوشوکی های سپیرتی نمی-نوشم. من نوشوکی های سپیرتی نمی-نوشم. Okay? So, in a sentence, we say نوشوکی های سپیرتی in plural because I mean all kinds of alcohol drinks like beer, whiskey, vodka, etc. So, no alcohol at all. Okay? Ice. Yach. 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 Okay? Khe. The last letter here. Khe. It might be a little bit challenging for you to say that if you are learning Tajik. But it's okay. Just keep practicing. You will learn. Yach. Okay? So the ice is melting. Yach. Op shуда istuda ast. Yach. Op shуда istuda ast. Meal. Khoyrok. 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 Okay? We also say awqot. Awqot. Awqot is from Arabic. So, thanks for the meal. Tashakkur baroy khoyrok. Tashakkur baroy khoyrok. Rice. Pirinch. Pirinch. Okay? Pirinch. We also say gurunch. In the north, it's more common. Usually people say gurunch. Alright, so we brought home 2 bags of rice. Bachona du khalta pirinch ovardim. Bachona du khalta pirinch ovardim. Bread. Non. 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 And non here in Tajikistan is a staple food. We have it every day for breakfast, for lunch and dinner usually. And the sentence, I prefer rice to bread. Man pirinch ro az non beshtar dost medaram. Man pirinch ro az non beshtar dost medaram. And instead of beshtar, you can also say bisyortar. Man pirinch ro az non bisyortar dost medaram. And in Tajikistan, actually, it's opposite. We usually have bread, not rice. Egg. Tokhum. 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 You know, it's funny. Instead of tokhum, usually people say tkhum. So, khe follows te. Tkhum. But we write tokhum. Alright, don't put all your eggs in one basket. ҳамаи тухмҳои худро дар як сабад нагузоред. Okay? ҳамаи тухмҳои худро дар як сабад нагузоред. Milk. Шир. Шир. Okay? Шир. So, I put some milk in my coffee. Ман ба қаҳваам камтар шир андохтам. Ман ба қаҳваам камтар шир андохтам. Meat. Гӯшт. And the last one. Гӯшт. Гӯшт is meat. Alright, I don't eat as much meat as I used to. Ман мисли пештара бисёр гӯшт намехӯрам. Ман мисли пештара бисёр гӯшт намехӯрам. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi there friends. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching 500 most common words and phrases video series. And this is week 21. And we'll start with the word cafe. Qahva khona. Qahva khona. Qahva khona. Qahva itself means coffee and khona is a house. So it's like a coffee house. Qahva khona. I used to be a waiter in this cafe. Man dar in qahva khona pesh khizmat budam. Man dar in qahva khona pesh khizmat budam. And if you want to learn more about cafe and how to order coffee, we have a video about that. You can find a link in the description box. Library. Kitobkhona. 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 Kitob is a book, khona is a house again. So I need to return this book to the library. Man boyad in kitobro ba kitobkhona bargardonam. Man boyad in kitobro ba kitobkhona bargardonam. Supermarket. Maghoza. 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 Maghoza also means a shop. A shop. So the word supermarket in Russian is supermarket. That's why some people prefer to say supermarket instead of maghoza when they go to the supermarket. Okay? He goes to the supermarket every week. Vay har hafta ba maghoza meravad. Vay har hafta ba maghoza meravad. Bakery. Nonvoykhona. 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 And the word non here, non means bread. Okay? That's the type of bread we use here in Tajikistan. So if you want to find some sweet stuff like in normal bakery, you cannot find it in nonvoykhona because in nonvoykhona they only sell bread. So that's why you should look for maghozei qanodi. That's the place where you can find some sweet stuff. So nonvoykhona. Okay? She opened a new bakery. Vay nonvoykhonei nav kshod. Vay nonvoykhonei nav kshod. Bank. Bonk. 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 So, is the bank open? Bonk kshodast. Bonk kushodast. And in Khojand, in the northern dialect, we say bonk kushodagimi. Bonk kushodagimi. And me at the end, it shows that that's a question. Bonk kushodagimi. Pharmacy. Dorukhona. 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 And doru means medicine. Khona, as you know, is a house. So, dorukhona. Where is the closest pharmacy? Nazdiktarin dorukhona dar kujost. Nazdiktarin dorukhona dar kujost. Cinema. Sinamo. 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 And people also use another word, which is from Russian, kinotheater. Kinotheater. And it's quite common. This word is quite common in Tajikistan. So, the cinema is almost empty. Sinamo qarib kholi bud. Sinamo qarib kholi bud. Theater. 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 So he loves going to the theater. Vay ba teatr raftan ro dost medorad. Vay ba teatr raftan ro dost medorad. Playground. Maydonchai bozi. Maydonchai bozi. Maydonchai bozi. So go to the playground to play. Барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. Барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. Swimming pool. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. The swimming pool will reopen in May. Моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. Моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I know it's hard to learn a new language, so many questions, but just keep doing that. And remember that the most important things are consistency and practice when you are learning a new language or a new skill. Just keep doing that. You will find your own way and keep it up. So until next time, bye. سلام دوستان، خوش آمدید. نام من حسین. این هفته 22. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. This is week 22, and if you are new to this channel, we teach Tajik here, also known as Farsi Dari. Alright, so let's get started. Tourist. Sayoh. 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 The museums attract a lot of tourists. Muzeyha bisyar sayohan ro jalb mekunad. Muzeyha bisyar sayohan ro jalb mekunad. Tour guide. Rohnamoyi sayohi or rohbalat. Rohnamoyi sayohi or rohbalat. Okay, so rohnamoyi sayohi or rohbalat. Rohbalat is more common, and also we have another word, gid, which is from Russian. We use it gid as well. Our tour guide showed us the old town. Rohbaladamon bamo shahraki kuhna ro nishon dod. Rohbaladamon bamo shahraki kuhna ro nishon dod. The word kuhna, which means old, usually people don't pronounce he in the middle. So it sounds like kuhna without he. Visa. Ravodit. And ravodit is not that common. You can also say visa. People will understand you. Alright, my visa has expired. Muhlati ravoditi man ba okhir rasid. Muhlati ravoditi man ba okhir rasid. Passport. Shinosnoma. And people also use passport. Passport is also common, so you can use both of them in Tajikistan. So, show me your passport. Baman shinosnomai khudro nishon deed. Baman shinosnomai khudro nishon deed. But baman here is optional. You can say it without baman, so it will sound like shinosnomai khudro nishon deed. And this is the Tajik passport, Tajik international passport. We have two, one international and one local. So, like this. Suitcase. Jomadon. And the word joma means clothes. Jomadon. And people also use chimadan instead of jomadon. Chimadan is from Russian. So the suitcase is too heavy. Jomadon khele vazninast. Jomadon khele vazninast. If you are traveling to Tajikistan, I would recommend you to watch our video about travel vocabulary. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Hotel. Mehmonkhona. And mehmon, maybe you already know, it means a guest, and khona is a house. Mehmonkhona. So the sentence. The hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests. Mehmonkhona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Mehmonkhona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Sightseeing. Tamosho kardan or sayr kardan. Tamosho kardan or sayr kardan. So both tamosho kardan and sayr kardan. And we went sightseeing in Panjakent. Mo ba tamoshoyi manzarahoyi Panjakent raftim. Mo ba tamoshoyi manzarahoyi Panjakent raftim. Panjakent is a small city in western Tajikistan, and if you like the history, you might enjoy visiting the place called Sarazm, which is 5,500 years old, and it's not far from the city center, from Panjakent. Souvenir. Savghoti, bargisabs, or souvenir. Savghoti, or bargisabs, or another one which is more common, souvenir. Souvenir is from Russian. And to be honest, I've never heard anyone saying savghoti or bargisabs, even though I worked in a tour company. Bargisabs, it sounds a little weird because it means like a green leaf. So usually people say souvenir. Okay, the sentence. Bonu wanted to bring home a souvenir. Bonu mekhost ki ba khona souvenir biorad. Bonu mekhost ki ba khona souvenir biorad. and Bonu is a female name. Entrance, daromadgoh, daromadgoh, daromadgoh. Daromadan means to enter. So where is the entrance? Daromadgoh dar kujo, daromadgoh dar kujo. And you might hear people saying dar kujost or dar kujo ast, but it's a bit too formal. You can just say daromadgoh dar kujo. Exit, baromadgoh. And the last one, baromadgoh, baromadgoh. And sometimes you might see the signs like baromat or daromat. So it's the same, baromadgoh, baromat. Baromadgoh is more common. So there are 12 exits in the building. Bino 12 to baromadgoh dorat. Bino 12 to baromadgoh dorat. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Rahmati kalon baroyi тамошо кардагиатон. Саломат бошед. Хайр. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 23. And we'll start with the word business. Tijorat. 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 And also people use business. Business as well. Both of them are quite common. So, Tolib is saving up his money to start a business. Tolib pulashro baroyi oghozi tijorat sarfa mekunad. Tolib pulashro baroyi oghozi tijorat sarfa mekunad. And Tolib is a male name, and don't be surprised if you hear sarf without I at the end as the opposite word, like not to save but to spend. People use it like pul sarf kardan, to spend money, or vaqt sarf kardan, to spend time, and sometimes also like to waste time or to waste money. Company, shirkat, shirkat, shirkat. He started his company with very little money. او شرکت خود را با پول خیلی کم آغاز کرد. او شرکت خود را با پول خیلی کم آغاز کرد. Office, idora, idora, idora. And also people use office, this word, office. You can use both of them, office or idora. So I'll be in the office on Monday. Man روزی دوشنبه در اداره می شوم. من روزی دوشنبه در اداره می شوم. And also there's another option. من روزی دوشنبه در اداره خواهم بود. This is too formal. خواهم بود. It's not that common. People usually say می شوم. Job, kor, kor, kor. Very simple, but r at the end you should practice if you can't say that. So r, okay, kor. So what kind of job are you looking for? شما چه خیل کار می‌جوید؟ شما چه خیل کار می‌جوید؟ Coworker, همکار, همکار, همکار. And ham here is like mate. I mean like classmate in English or roommate. So ham is the same and kor is work. So you work together. So my coworker taught me a lot about painting. همکارم با من درباره رسمکشی بسیار چیزها را آموزاند. One more time. همکارم با من درباره رسمکشی بسیار چیزها را آموزاند. Boss, سردار or رهبر. سردار, سردار or رهبر, رهبر. And you might also hear people saying boss, just like in English. So, he is loyal to his boss. وی با سردار خود صادق است. وی با سردار خود صادق است. Meeting, واخوری or مجلس. واخوری, واخوری or مجلس, مجلس. And people also say واخوری, not but واخوری instead of So, I have a very important meeting today. من امروز یک واخوری خیلی مهم دارم. من امروز یک واخوری خیلی مهم دارم. Contract, شرطنامه. 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 So, the sentence. Tohir signed the contract. Tohir شرطنامه را امضا کرد. Tohir شرطنامه را امضا کرد. And Tohir is another male name. Salary, معاش or مزد مهنت. معاش, معاش
or muzdi mehnat. Muzdi mehnat. And maosh is more common. So, Umar asked for a higher salary. Umar maoshi balantar ro talab kard. Umar maoshi balantar ro talab kard. Busy. Band. Serkor. Band. Band or serkor. Serkor. So, I'll be very busy next month. Mohi oyanda man khele band meshavam. Mohi oyanda man khele band meshavam. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. We are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 24. And we'll start with the word mirror. Oyna. 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 So the sentence, she looked into the mirror. Vay ba oyna nigarist. Vay ba oyna nigarist. A nigarist is a bit too formal, so in the north we usually say ba oyna nigoh kard. Vay ba oyna nigoh kard instead of nigarist. Soap. Sobun. 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 And in the north, again, we usually say sovun, not sobun. So instead of b in the middle, we say v, sovun. Okay, so there is no soap in the bathroom. Dar hamom sobun nest. Dar hamom sobun nest. Toothbrush. Chutkei dandon shui. Chutkei dandon shui. And chutka is a brush and dandon teeth. So chotkei dandon shui. But I don't really hear people saying chotkei dandon shui. Instead of that, usually people use the Russian word zubnaya shotka. Zubnaya shotka. That's from Russian. Alright. Have you brought your toothbrush with you? Shumo bo khud chotkei dandon shui ro ovardid. Shumo bo khud chotkei dandon shui ro ovardid. Toothpaste. Khamirei dandon shui. Khamirei dandon shui. Khamirei dandon shui. Where's the toothpaste? Khamirei dandon shui dar kujost. Khamirei dandon shui dar kujost. And khamirei dandon shui is not that common yet, and people still use, most people still use lots of Russian words. So again, for this one, people say not khamirei dandon shui, but they say zubnaya pasta. Zubnaya pasta. Shampoo. 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 We bought shampoo and toothpaste. Mo shampoo va khamirei dandon shui kharidem. Mo shampoo va khamirei dandon shui kharidem. Take a shower. Obozi kardan. Obozi kardan. Obozi kardan. I take a shower every night. Man har shab obozi mekunam. Man har shab obozi mekunam. Towel. Sachok. 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 He needs a towel. Bavai sachok lozim ast. Bavai sachok lozim ast. Comp. Shona. Shona. Shona is a noun, and if you add kardan, shona kardan, it will be a verb. To comb will be shona kardan. Okay? So the sentence. Usman combed his hair. Usman mo'i khud ro shona kard. Usman mo'i khud ro shona kard. Perfume. Atr. 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 So some Tajiks, they cannot say atr because there are two consonants in a row. T, r, atr. That's why they add in the middle, they put e. So it will sound like atir. Atir. Okay? It will make it easier for them to say that. So the sentence. Parvina doesn't wear cheap perfume. Parvina atri arzon ro istifoda name barad. Parvina atri arzon ro istifoda name barad. Hair dryer. Mo'i khushkunak. Mo'i khushkunak. Mo'i khushkunak. Mo'i means hair and khushk kardan to dry. So my sister bought an expensive hair dryer. Khohari man yak mo'i khushkunaki qimmat baho kharid. Khohari man yak mo'i khushkunaki qimmat baho kharid. And Sometimes people, instead of saying qimmat baho, they just say qimmat. Qimmat. It means expensive. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Khair.
Hello friends, Salam Doston, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 25. And we'll start with the word temperature, harorat, harorat, harorat. Okay, so the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Harorat 35 derece garm ast. Harorat 35 derece garm ast. And we use the word garm here. Garm means hot. But when we talk about below or above zero we say garm. For example, 5 degrees above zero, 5 derece garm. And cold, below zero, we say khunuk. 5 degrees below zero, 5 derece khunuk. And in Tajikistan, we use Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Kilogram, 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 kilogram. I need 2 kilograms of rice. Baman 2 kilogram pirinç lozim ast. Baman 2 kilogram pirinç lozim ast. In the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say gurunch instead of pirinç. So don't be surprised if you hear people saying gurunch instead of pirinç. Kilometer, 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 kilometer. And some people, especially Russians, they say kilometer. So kilometer, not kilometer. Okay, so we ran for 10 kilometers. Mo ba masofai 10 kilometer davidim. Mo ba masofai 10 kilometer davidim. And you can also say mo 10 kilometer davidim. Instead of ba masofai, just mo 10 kilometer davidim. Liter, 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 liter. So Akmal drinks at least 3 liters of water every day. And Akmal is a male name. So Akmal harus nakamtaras 3 liter op menushat. Akmal harus nakamtaras 3 liter op menushat. Height, balandi, balandi, balandi. And at the end, long E. So, I'm afraid of heights. Man az balandi metarsam. Man az balandi metarsam. Length, darozi, darozi, darozi. So, it's about a meter in length. Darozi on takriban 1 meter ast. Darozi on takriban 1 meter ast. Width, bar, bar, bar. And it's not about the place where you can get a drink, but just width, okay? Bar. So, the road has a width of 5 meters. Bari roh 5 meter ro tashkil medihat. Bari roh 5 meter ro tashkil medihat. And also, people use the word vasegi sometimes. So, vasegi is borrowed from Arabic, and they mean the same, vasegi and bar. Weight, vazn, vazn, vazn. So, what's your weight? Vazni shumo chandast. Vazni shumo chandast. And usually we say, in the north, we say shumo chan kilo. Shumo chan kilo. It's more informal. And if you want to say like she lost weight, and the word lost, lose, will be gum kardan. So we don't translate it literally. We say vai kharob shut. She lost weight. Vai kharob shut. As you can see, there is no vazn there because we don't translate it literally. Vai kharob shut. And she gained weight will be vai farbeh shut. Vai farbeh shut. Heavy, vaznin, vaznin, vaznin. This box is very heavy. In quti khele vaznin ast. In quti khele vaznin ast. And some people, instead of vaznin, they say vazbin. So they mean the same, vazbin or vaznin. Light, sabuk, sabuk, sabuk. So this suitcase is light. In jomadon sabukast. In jomadon sabukast. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. And as usual, you can find the link to the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. So, until next time, khair. Salam doston. Hi there, friends. Welcome. My name is Hussein. This is week 26, and without further ado, let's get started. Dog, sak, sag, sak. And there's another one, kuchuk. Kuchuk is probably from Uzbek language. So you might hear both, sak and kuchuk. Sak is formal. So, I take a walk with my dog in the evening. Begohi bo sagam sayrugasht mekunam. Begohi, long E. Begohi bo sagam sayrugasht mekunam. Cat, gurba. Gurba, gurba. And there's another one, pishak, pishak. But the proper one is gurba. Okay? So, it's easy for cats to climb a tree. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Bird, paranda. Paranda. So the birds were singing on the roof. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Wolf, gurk. Gurk, gurk. So wolves don't usually attack people. Gurkho odatan ba odamon hamla namekунанд. Gurkho odatan ba odamon hamla namekунанд. Rabbit, khargosh. Khargosh, khargosh. So the rabbit hid behind the tree. Khargosh dar pasi darахт pinhon shud. Khargosh dar pasi darахт pinhon shud. And instead of pinhon, normally we use, in the north part of Tajikistan, we use rust shud instead of pinhon. Another word, pasi, instead of pasi, we say pushti. Pushti, okay? So the whole sentence would sound like this. Khargosh dar pushti darахт rust shud. So this one is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. Snake, mor. Okay, so Abdumalik isn't scared of snakes. Abdumalik is a male name. So Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Bear, khirs. Are there any bears around here? Dar injo yagon khirsho hastant. Dar injo yagon khirsho hastant. Monkey, maimun. Maimun. So we saw monkeys at the zoo. Mo dar boghi hayvonot maimunho ro didem. Mo dar boghi hayvonot maimunho ro didem. Tiger, palang. So the sentence: no wild tigers are to be found in Africa. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Lion, sher. Okay, sher. So, which is stronger, tiger or a lion? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher? Alright, so now you know how to say 10 different animals in Tajik. So, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there, friends. Salam doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel. And right now, you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we teach 10 new vocabulary words. And this is week 27. And our first word is illness, bemori. So the sentence, he was absent because of illness. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. And the word hozir has two meanings. One is like right now, hozir, now. And another meaning, hozir is like present. You are there at the time. So it's like the opposite of absent. Injury, jarohat. Okay,
So the doctor treated Asiya's injury. Asiya is a female name. So in Tajik, دکتر جراحتی آسیه رو تبابت کرد. دکتر جراحتی آسیه رو تبابت کرد. To break. شکستن. 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 So Fakhreddin fell and broke his arm while he was skiing. And Fakhreddin is a male name. So Fakhreddin هنگام لیژرانی افتیده دستش رو شکست. Fakhreddin هنگام لیژرانی افتیده دستش رو شکست. The word shikastan is an infinitive, and in a sentence it comes as shikast. So if you want to know why, you can watch our video about the verbs, and you can find a link to that video in the description box. Medicine. Doru. 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 Okay, so if you take this medicine, you will feel better. اگر شما این دارو رو استعمال کنید، خود رو بهتر حس میکنید. Okay, one more time. اگر شما این دارو رو استعمال کنید، خود رو بهتر حس میکنید. Pain. درد. 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 Okay, so I'm not in any pain. من یگان درد ندارم. من یگان درد ندارم. Luckily. Normally, we don't pronounce the last letter de at the end, so it sounds like dar, dar. And it's the same like in English, you say brand new, you don't say brand new, right? Brand new, so it's the same, dar. Cold, zukom, zukom, zukom. So the sentence, I have a cold, man zukom shudam. Man zukom shudam. And zukom is so rare. To be honest, I've never heard anyone using this word. Normally, we say man bemor shudam or man kasal shudam. Instead of zukom, we use bemor and kasal. Remedy. Davo. 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 Okay? So, hot lemon tea with honey is a good remedy for colds. چای گرم با لیمو و عسل برای زکام دوای خوب است. One more time. چای گرم با لیمو و عسل برای زکام دوای خوب است. Fatigue. خستگی. 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 Long E at the end. So, Ravshan looks fatigued, and Ravshan is a male name. So, Ravshan خسته می نماید. Ravshan خسته می نماید. Blood. خون. 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 And the first letter is kh. Kh. خون. Okay. Do you know your blood type? شما گروهی خونتان رو میدونید؟ شما گروهی خونتان رو میدونید؟ Pressure. فشار. 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 I have a high blood pressure. فشاری من بلند است. فشاری من بلند است. Alright, that was our last word. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Khair. Salam doston. Hey there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein, and in this channel we teach Tajik with my brother Hassan. So, in today's episode we'll talk about some subjects we study at school or at the university. So, our first subject is biology. Biologia. 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 And sometimes people pronounce it as biologia instead of O in the middle. They pronounce it A, biologia, because it was borrowed from Russian language. And in Russian it sounds like biologia, not biologia. Okay? So, the sentence. Biology is sometimes quite hard to understand. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. And if you are wondering how to say subject in Tajik, it's fun. Very simple. Fun. So, biology subject will be fani biologia. Fani with double N, biologia. Chemistry. Kimio. 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 And some people say chimia instead of kimio. Kimio is in Tajik and chimia is in Russian. So, the sentence, he is a professor of chemistry at Cambridge. Вай профессори کیمیا در کمبریج می باشد. وی پروفسوری کیمیا در کمبریج می باشد. Physics. فیزیکا. 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 So we had an examination in physics yesterday. In Tajik, ما دیروز از فنی فیزیکا امتحان داشتیم. ما دیروز از فنی فیزیکا امتحان داشتیم. Economics. اقتصادیات. 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 And if it's hard for you to pronounce that, you can just pronounce first two letters first, like iq, and then tisodiyot. اقتصاديات. Okay? So the sentence. I never liked economics. من فنی اقتصادیات رو هیچگاه دوست نمی‌داشتم. من فنی اقتصادیات رو هیچگاه دوست نمی‌داشتم. Math. Математика. 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 Okay? So I like math. من математика رو دوست می‌دارم. من математика رو دوست می‌دارم. English. انگلیسی. 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 And we also say زبان انگلیسی, which means English language. Okay? So she teaches English to elementary students. وی به خوانندگان صنف‌های ابتدایی زبان انگلیسی درس می‌دهد. Okay, one more time. وی به خوانندگان صنف‌های ابتدایی زبان انگلیسی درس می‌دهد. History. تاریخ. تاریخ. Or some people say تاریخ. So you can say تاریخ, but you see, because of letter علامت ساکته, Tajik letter, you may pronounce it like long a, تاریخ. And similar to English word door, when you pronounce or like long or, door. So the sentence. He is studying history in college. وی در کالج تاریخ رو می‌آموزد. وی در کالج تاریخ رو می‌آموزد. Geography. جغرافیا. 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 Okay? It's a bit tricky. J and G. جغرافیا. So, I'm good at geography. من جغرافیا رو خوب می‌دانم. من جغرافیا رو خوب می‌دانم. PE. تربیه جسمانی. تربیه جسمانی. تربیه جسمانی. So, the PE class starts at 9. تربیه جسمانی ساعت 9 آغاز می شود. One more time. تربیه جسمانی ساعت 9 آغاز می شود. And instead of آغاز می شود, normally we say, in the north part, we say سر می شود instead of آغاز می شود. Psychology. Psychologia. 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 But usually we say psychologia after Х, the letter Х, we say A, psychologia. Because it was borrowed from Russian, just like the word biologia, biology, the same, psychologia. Okay, so that's why don't be confused if you hear a instead of o after he. So the sentence. Psychology is an interesting subject. Psychologia фани шавқовар мебошад. Psychologia фани шавқовар мебошад. Alright, that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click the like button so it will help other people to find this video and to find our channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi there friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And right now you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday we teach 10 more new vocabulary words, and at the end we'll have 500. This is week 29, so let's get started. Email. Почтой электронный. Почтой электронный. Почтой электронный. So the sentence. You can email us. شما میتوانید با почтой электронный ما نویسید. شما میتوانید با почтой электронный ما نویسید. Text message. Payomak. 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 But we don't say payomak. We say SMS instead. SMS. So why do we teach you payomak if we use SMS? Because we want you to know both formal and informal Tajik.
If you only use formal Tajik, then probably not many Tajiks, locals, will be able to understand you because we use some other informal words. That's why we teach you both, formal and informal. So, the sentence. She sent me a text message saying that she'll be late. Вай ба ман паёмак фиристод ки дер мешавад. Вай ба ман паёмак фиристод ки дер мешавад. And the way we would say it, it would sound like Вай ба ман SMS фиристод ки дер мешавад. Phone, telephone, telephone, telephone. And you may hear people saying telefoni mobili, but it's a bit too long. Telefoni mobili. So, the sentence. Where is your phone? Телефони шумо дар куҷо? Телефони шумо дар куҷо? Phone number. Рақами мобилӣ or рақами телефон. Рақами мобилӣ. Рақами мобилӣ or рақами телефон. Рақами телефон. So, my phone number is +992 98 123 45 67. So +992 is the country code, and then 98 is the mobile operator, and then the number. So in Tajik, рақами телефони ман плюс 992 98 123 45 67. So as you might notice, we don't say that each number one by one, but we say in tens and hundreds. Computer. Royona, computer. Royona, royona, or computer. Everybody says computer, not royona. So royona is not that common yet. So the sentence. I'm going to buy a new computer tomorrow. Man pago computeri nav mecharam. Or with royona, man pago royonei nav mecharam. Printer. Moshinei chopkuni or dastgohi chopkuni. Moshinei chopkuni or dastgohi chopkuni. And it's the same just like royona, computer. We don't say moshinei chopkuni. We say printer, printer, just like in English, printer. So, I bought this printer last year. Man in moshinei chopkuniro soli guzashta kharidam. Man in moshinei chopkuniro soli guzashta kharidam. But we would say man in printero soli guzashta kharidam instead of moshinei chopkuni. Radio, 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 radio. Very simple, just like in English. So, I heard the news on the radio. Man in khabaro az radio shunidam. Man in khabaro az radio shunidam. TV, oynei nilgun or televisor. Oynei nilgun. Oynei nilgun. Again, nobody says oynei nilgun. We say televisor, televisor instead. So, do you watch TV? Шумо телевизор тамошо мекунед? Шумо телевизор тамошо мекунед? Internet, 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 internet. So, she goes on the internet daily. Вай ҳар рӯз аз интернет истифода мебарад. Вай ҳар рӯз аз интернет истифода мебарад. Usually we don't say аз интернет истифода мебарад. We just say вай ҳар рӯз интернет истифода мебарад. But our Tajik teacher from the university, he told us that we better put аз there. So it will be more like proper Tajik. Вай ҳар рӯз аз интернет истифода мебарад. Newspaper, рӯзнома. Röznoma, Röznoma. So, Karim didn't read the newspaper yesterday. Karim дирӯз рӯзномаро нахонда буд. Karim дирӯз рӯзномаро нахонда буд. And Karim is a male name, our neighbor's name. Alright, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, you can find all of these words and sentences that we used in this class in a PDF file, and the link to that PDF file you can find in the description box. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And in this channel, together with my brother, we teach Tajik. This is week 30, and our first word is money. Pull. Pull.
So, the sentence. He had a lot of money in the bank. Vay dar bong puli ziyod dosht. Vay dar bong puli ziyod dosht. Coin. Tanga. 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 So, the sentence. I collect rare coins. Man tangahoyi nodir jam mekunam. Man tangahoyi nodir jam mekunam. Cash. Naqd. 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 But we say naqd. Maybe because it's easier to say naqd. Okay, so the sentence. I'd like to pay in cash. Man mekhoham bo puli naqd pardokht kunam. Man mekhoham bo puli naqd pardokht kunam. Debit cards. Korti debiti. Korti debiti. Korti debiti. So the sentence. I paid with my debit card. Man bo korti debiti khud pardokht kardam. Man bo korti debiti khud pardokht kardam. Credit card. Korti krediti. Korti krediti. Korti krediti. So the sentence. Can I pay with a credit card? Oyo man metavonam bo korti krediti pardokht kunam. Oyo man metavonam bo korti krediti pardokht kunam. And oyo is optional here. You don't need oyo. Oyo makes it more formal. In the north part of Tajikistan, this sentence is too formal, so we would say bo kort pardokht kunam meshat mi. Bo kort pardokht kunam meshat mi. As far as I know, in Tajikistan we use only debit cards because credit cards are still something new. Only a few banks offer credit cards. So majority of people still use cash. Wallet. Hamyon. 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 Also you can hear people using another word, a Russian word. Kошелек. Kошелек. So the sentence. I lost my wallet. Man hamyonamro gum kardam. Man hamyonamro gum kardam. Document. Hujjat or sanat. Hujjat. Hujjat or sanat. Sanat. But hujjat is more common. So the sentence. I've already read that document. Man alakai on hujjatro khondam. Man alakai on hujjatro khondam. Report. Hisobot. 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 So the sentence. Bring me the report, please. Lutfan hisobotro baman bioret. Lutfan hisobotro baman bioret. We Tajiks don't really use the word please. In Tajik, lutfan and iltimos both mean the same thing. In our daily conversation, we don't really use these words. But we might use them when we really need something from other people. Mail. Почта. 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 So the sentence. I'll send the book by mail. Man kitobro bovostei почта mefristam. Man kitobro bovostei почта mefristam. Website. Somona. 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 A lot of people use website. So you can use both. Somona and website. So the sentence. Responses will be posted on our website. جوابها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می شوند. جوابها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می شوند. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.